You guys, welcome back to my channel, Couture, and in today's video I am bringing to you another review from Asteria hair. This is what came in the box. I got a nice little headband. There was so much in this box, like literally they sent it in like a separate package. So we had that edge brush too, and then we have this whole little goodie bag right here, which contains some clips, a wig cap, as well as another scarf. This scarf is really cute. I'm taking me on vacation. Some lashes, some more lashes, a nice little melt brush thing, not brush, a nice little melt headband, and then this packet that shows you how to take care of your hair. It has literally everything you need to know about hair is in this booklet right here. Like literally everything is in this booklet. So aside from the booklet, we have another wig cap, and then we also have a nice little satin bag. This is Asteria hair, just for your beauty. And then of course we have the wig. Okay, so this is a 13x4, 24-inch medium cap size, 180% density. This is a highlighted wig, which I absolutely love. I love me a good highlighted wig. I think these are so bomb. I think pre-colored wigs are the bomb. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It is a true 13x4. It also has clips. It has 2 clips on the side as well as one on the bottom, as well as adjustable straps. So it is very secure. But yeah, this hair is so nice. This has become one of my favorite companies. I actually spent my own coin and purchased a wig from Asteria hair because I like the quality so much. Okay, let's get into this install. So first things first, I'm doing my wig cap. If you guys have seen my other videos, you know, same old deal. Cutting my ears out. I'm going to use 2 layers of Got To Be spray. And then for glue, I'm going to be using the Erica J glue today. I actually got the watermelon scent. Finally got that hold me down adhesive in the watermelon scent. So yeah.
The CD is my palace. The CD is my palace. Jealous. The CD is my palace. The CD is my palace. Jealous. The CD is my palace. The CD is my palace. Jealous. The CD is my palace. We won't waste no time. They wanna know about the girl them. About the girl them. About the girl them. But she gon' slide right to my. The CD is my palace. The CD is my palace. Jealous. The CD is my palace. But we won't waste no time. I want she and she. So me, I can't even speak to all of them, so I call her on the she gon' be.
As you guys can see, as soon as I put this wig on, the lace is already lacing. Like, it's literally already lacing. It looks so good, like, immediately after, you know, not even putting the elastic band on yet. Like, it already looks so good. Their lace is really good. With this hair, I experienced minimal, and I mean minimal shedding, no tangling, nothing like that. All I did was bleach the knots. I plucked it just a little bit. This is a pre-plucked wig, so if you guys are beginners, no worries, because this wig definitely was pre-plucked. All I had to do was just go in and touch it up just a little tiny bit. is a step right here that I actually just started doing, is using the Eben hairspray and then tying my lace down again. I think that it actually makes my lace last a lot longer, so that's something that I just added to my normal little install routine.
Deals and I got little things, I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
So now I'm just curling my hair with my Conair U curler, and I'm literally just curling the hair away from the face. It's really self-explanatory. Like, I'm going to curl one side and then do the other side off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final look.
I'd rather be smoking weed whenever we breathe. Every time you kiss me, don't say that you miss me. Just come get me. Don't know, I just know I want to. Don't know, I just know I want you. I'd rather be breaking things, 'cause we can't see. Too busy kissing, just making scenes. Here come the police, they know about your history. How you live in love like fuck you.
Alright, so this is the final result, you guys. As you guys can see, this hair is so freaking bomb. It held a curl so good. Like I said, I spent my own coin and bought a very expensive wig from Asteria Hair. Like, that's how much I like their wigs. I would definitely highly recommend checking them out. I will leave all the information for this wig in the description box. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, check out Asteria Hair, follow me on Instagram at k.couture. And guys, that's about it for this video. Until next time, stay positive and be blessed.